to the new tutorial about creating a basic app in Laravel. The first thing we have to do is get our app from Laravel or from GitHub, clone it, and go to the Laravel app directory. The next thing we have to do is install the composer of the dependencies with Composer. So Laravel has everything to work with. That is very easily. Okay, and the next thing is we need to create an environment file because Laravel needs it to work basically, and we have to set up the MySQL. If we have set up the MySQL, we also need to add an app key. Laravel needs this for security reasons, so we create it like this. And now we have to install the dependencies in MySQL. So let's do the migration. Nothing to migrate. That's because I have it already set up. I will remove them and do the migration again. So now we have set up Laravel to use it with camping care. The only thing, if I start now the development server, it will run on my local host. And because we want to show you how webhooks work, we need an URL that needs to be public. So I'm opening a new terminal now. Start ngrok. Ngrok is software for forwarding to your local computer. It comes in handy if you are a developer. So if I go now to a web browser and I go to this ngrok, you'll see I will enter my application. So what I'm now going to do is go to camping care, go to the App Store, and I install, create a new application, Laravel app. So now I can enter my app URL here, and I can enter my webhooks URL. The webhooks URL is a bit different. It comes with API webhooks, and I will register for some webhooks. The update prices in the rates I need. So this one I will add and reservation add the webhook, and now I can use them. So I need rights for rates, get, and I want rights for the administration. So these are the scopes I'm using. Let's save it. And now you see the app is running into camping care. Install it, the app, and you will have access to the API. This is coming from the API. See what we have done here. If you go to the web, the screen you just saw, it mentioned the user. This user came from the camping care API, and here, if the session is installed, we show the user that is currently logged in. Let's also do fire webhook. So that's very easy. Go to the App Store. I need to have this other window. go to prices, setup prices. Let's change to 100 euros a night and save it. Now you will see in the App Store the Laravel app. We've built in some logs, and you will see the webhook has been fired. We changed the price to 100 euros a night, so the app gets the update from our webhook, and then we can update the prices in a third-party system or whatever you want to do. So that's very nice. So we have connected with the API, we have received webhooks, and I will show you a bit how we did it in the code. So the API we explained. Our middleware takes care of all the difficult things with authentication and stuff like that, so you don't have to worry about it. You only have to query the database or query our API. We have the web for the views, and we have the API route for the webhooks. So this is everything it does at the moment. You get the webhook received. You receive a webhook here, and we create a log of this webhook. So this is interesting. The care install and the care uninstall. And the care install, if you run this, if you install the application, Laravel will automatically run this script. So everything you put in here will be done upon installation. The same counts for the uninstall function. If you run this, you need to remove everything because the app is uninstalled. So this is the basics of the Laravel app. Please try it yourself and build your very cool app for camping care. Thank you for watching, and until the next episode.